This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to reset service on Mitsubishi Outlander. Turn ignition to on without starting engine, press and hold the trip reset button for about 10 seconds, watch the service light or display blink, then release and confirm the service indicator resets. If your model differs, try holding both trip and reset buttons together or cycle ignition once more. Always follow safety steps and check the manual for specifics. Start by sitting in the driver's seat and turning the key to the on position without starting the engine, then press and hold the trip reset button firmly. Keep holding until the service message on the dash begins to flash or shows dashes, then release to confirm the reset. If the indicator stays, power OFF the ignition for a few seconds and try the same hold again. This simple method works on many Outlander trims. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more clear car guides. Quick recommendation: the new Kindle Paperwhite is great for reading while you wait at the dealership or during a long service session, thanks to its glare-free screen and long battery life. It makes downtime more enjoyable and keeps manuals handy in digital form. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. If the basic reset does not work, check that the battery has good voltage and that connectors are secure, because low power can prevent a reset. Look in your owner manual for any menu-based reset steps or dealer-only sequences for certain trims. Be cautious about disconnecting the battery, since that can reset other systems and cause complications. When in doubt, contact a qualified technician or dealer to avoid accidental faults or warranty issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.